Okay. Hello everyone. So, since this lockdown is going on and all these things, so it is not possible for us as per the government to hold the live classes. Okay, but we are trying to do it better through our online class itself. ठीक है? So I will discuss the physics subject. Okay. So basically in physics, the term is, what do you mean by the term called physics? So physics is basically the everything which is happening in the nature. For example, what is the temperature today? That you have to measure with the help of a thermometer. Okay. So that is a physics. Thermometer is a device which we will discuss in physics. Suppose a fan is rotating. So what is the number of revolutions of the fan per minute or per second? That we will count with the help of physics. Suppose a boy is walking, okay, and he is covering suppose certain distance in a certain interval of time. So what is the speed of the object, or what is the speed of the boy? That we will calculate in physics. Okay. So physics basically deals about everything that is happening in the nature, okay, that is happening actually around us, Suppose a person covers 100 meter in 10 seconds and another person covers 100 meter in 20 seconds. So you can say that in the first case who is covering 100 meter in 10 seconds has some more speed as compared to the second one. Okay. So this is given by the formula of speed which we will discuss in the physics. Okay. Another one, suppose you have applied a force on an object. Suppose you have applied a force on an object, say like this. So you are applying a force of suppose 5 Newton on this object. So the object will move in this direction. But your friend, he is suppose now applying a force 10 Newton in this direction. Now the object will not move in this direction, it will move along the direction of the bigger force, that is 10 Newton. But what is the total force? Total force we will call 5 plus 10 is equal to 15 Newton. But what is the net force? What is the net force? This is applied in the positive x direction, this is applied in negative x direction. So the total applied force will be minus 5 Newton. So these things we will discuss in physics. Okay. Suppose there is an object. Okay. This is suppose another object. This is the surface. This is suppose say the surface. Okay. So it will provide some friction. This surface, it will provide some friction. So if it provides some friction, you are applying force in this direction. So the friction will act in the opposite direction. Okay. This is your applied force and this is the friction. So friction always opposes the motion. So if your force is smaller than friction, the object will not move. ये object अभी move नहीं करेगा. Okay. But if your force is greater than friction, then the object will move. But if force is equal to friction, तब क्या होगा? The object is now ready to move. Okay. So there is a difference between each and every step. Okay. These things we will discuss in physics. Okay. So physics is what I said, that physics is everything that is happening around us. Okay. So to calculate the terms in physics, देखो, these are all theoretical. We will put here some value. We will derive the formula of friction. So to do all these calculations, we have to take the help of mathematics. So before understanding physics and before starting physics, let us first discuss about some mathematical formulas. Okay. You will get the mathematical formulas definitely in your maths, definitely in your subject mathematics, but here I will give you some formulas and you have to simply remember the formula. I will not share how we got the formula. Derivation of the formulas I will not provide. I will simply provide you some formula. Number 1 from trigonometry, number 2 from calculus, that is you have not seen till now, and you will not see you will not face calculus in HS first year mathematics also. Calculus is there in HS second year only. So how we can discuss it in first year? But in physics the formulas will be required. So I will give you the formulas and you have to remember the formula. I will also tell you how to apply the formulas. Okay? Derivation or the proof of the formula you will get in the next year in HS second year, that is, and in mathematics. Okay? You have got trigonometry, so some formulas of trigonometry will also require here. So I will give you the formulas of trigonometry. You will require some formulas from logarithm. So those students who took advanced mathematics in class 10, they have got this one logarithm, but logarithm will be a newer topic for those students who did not opt advanced mathematics as an elective during class 10. Okay, so these formulas will be required, so you have to remember all the formulas. Okay, I will tell you some applications. So if you know the applications, then you will be able to know how to apply the formulas and where to apply the formulas. Okay, तो ये सब तो बाद में आएगा, क्योंकि ये सब क्या है, ये सब कैलकुलेशन है. To do calculation we have to take the help of tool is what? Tool is mathematics. Okay, ठीक है. So let us discuss some basic mathematics in our first class today. Then we will go for the applications. So the first class it will be completely based on formula and formulae. So the basic mathematics. So the first class of physics is all about basic mathematics. Okay, though it will not like basics for you. The first we will start from trigonometry, since trigonometry is known to you. So first we will start from trigonometry. In trigonometry we will start from the very basics, that is number 1, sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. I will give only the formulas till sine, cos and tan, because you know cot is 1 by tan, sec is 1 by cos and cosec is 1 by sine. So I will not give you the formula of cot, sec and cosec. Sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, cos minus theta is equal to plus cos theta, remember. Number 3, tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Okay, this is the first formula. Number 4 is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You got this formula earlier. Next formula is sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. Number 6, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to, it will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 2 cos square theta, it can be written as 2 into, what is cos square theta from this formula? 1 minus sin square theta na. So 1 minus sin square theta minus 1, 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1, so it will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, so this is the formula of cos of twice theta. Okay, so next one is number 7, that is sin a plus b. Sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Number 8, sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So if it is plus, then it will be plus. If it is minus, it will be minus. So number 9, cos a plus b, it will be cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, minus sin a sin b. Number 10 is cos a minus b. तो जब प्लस था माइनस, तो माइनस रहने से क्या होगा, इट विल बी प्लस प्लस sin a sin b. Okay, so these 4 formulas are basically required, but I will give you one formula from tan theta also. Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay, tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b 1 plus tan a into tan b. Question formula number 12, that is we will apply in the last topic of your HSS first year. In wave optics it will be required, that is sin a plus sin b. Sin a plus sin b is equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. This is the formula of sin a plus sin b. So we will require only the formula of sin a plus sin b. That is why I have given only this formula. Other formulas are not required. Now you know the values, that is what is the value of sin 30, what is the value of sin 45. You know all these values. So I will go for checking 2 or 3 formulas whether it is available or not. So sin a plus sin b till this. Okay, these are the formulas it will be required from your trigonometry. Now the question is how to obtain the values of, suppose say sin suppose sin 120 degree. How we will calculate the value of sin 120 degree? इसका वैल्यू हम लोग कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? So to calculate this value we have got this one. We have got a rule that is known as ASTC rule. So do you guys know what is the value of ASTC rule? ASTC rule तुम लोगों को मालूम है? So we will now discuss about ASTC rule to find out what is the value of sin 120 degree. Okay, so those students जिसका advanced maths था, I think they already know about ASTC rule, but those जिसका advanced नहीं था, suppose उन लोगों को नहीं मिला होगा, तो हम लोग एक बार चेक करते हैं क्या था ASTC rule. So you know the quadrant formula. In quadrants, so which one will be called as first quadrant? This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. We have to move in anti-clockwise format, na? Anti-clockwise format. Okay. So A, this is A, this is S, this is T, this is T, and this is C. So A means here all positive. All positive matlab sine, cos, tan, cos, sec, cosec, all will be positive. Here S means sine, so sine will be positive. And what is the partner of sine? Cosec. So here sine and cosec will be positive. This is T, T tends to tan. So here tan and tan का partner कौन है? Cot. So they will be positive. This is cos, C. C means cos. So in this quadrant, cos and sec will be positive. Others will be negative. But in the first quadrant, all will be positive. Now try to understand the rule. Sine 120 degree. So you have to break it in the form of 90 degree plus something. So it can be written as sine 1 into 90 degree plus 30 degree. It can be written as sine 1 into 90 degree plus 30 degree. You look at this digit first. This digit is odd. Odd means if it is odd, then sine will be first converted into cos. Okay? Sine will be first converted into cos. Now you look at this 1 into 90 plus 30. Matlab 120 degree will fall in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, sine is positive. और यहाँ पे क्या था? यहाँ पे साइन था ना? So we will write here plus. And what is the value here? 30. So it will be cos 30 degree. What is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Or it can also be written as sine 2 into 90 degree minus 60 degree. Okay, 180 minus 60 equal to 120, na? Now this number is even. Since this number is even, if it is odd, sine will be converted to cos. But if it is even, sine will be remain as sine. और ये कौन सा क्वाड्रेंट में आएगा? साइन, ये साइन है ना यहाँ पे. और 2 into 90 minus 160 मतलब 2 into 90 minus 60. So it will fall in the second quadrant. So what is the theta here? 60, na? So you write here sine 60. What is the value of sine 60? It will be root 3 by 2. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. देखो in both the cases, what you got? We got the value is equal to root over 3 by 2. Done? Okay. So in this way, you have to find out. Let us take one more example. Suppose 10, 585 degree. Okay. So it can be written as 10, 6 into 90 degree. 9 6 is 54 plus किमान होबो याते 45 डिग्री. कितना आएगा? 45 डिग्री. ठीक है. So this number is even, ना? So if it is even, then 10 will remain as 10. Now you check in which quadrant it will fall. 6, ये तो 6 quadrant complete हो गया ना? मतलब 7 quadrant में आएगा. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 quadrant में क्या है? 10 is positive ना? So here we will assign plus. लेकिन इसको देख के हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे प्लस दिया. जैसे कि यहाँ पे साइन था, तो साइन सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में पॉजिटिव होता है, इसीलिए पॉजिटिव साइन आया. वी शुड नॉट लुक आफ्टर दिस कॉस. ओके, इस पे देखना नहीं चाहिए. सो इट विल बी 10. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा? 45 डिग्री. सो 10 45 इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 1. यू कैन ऑल्सो डू दिस वन इन दिस वे, दैट इज 10 7 into 90 डिग्री माइनस 45 डिग्री. कितना होगा? 7 9 63 minus 45, that is 5 8 5. So now 10 will be converted to cot. Why? Because 7 is an odd number, but it will fall in the 7 quadrant ना. 7 minus हो रहा है, तो 7 into 90 minus 45. So 7 quadrant, 10 will be positive. Cot 45 degree, cot 45 is 1. देखो, so in both the cases we are getting the values is equal to 1. Okay. So this is the way to find out the values. Done. So this is the way to find out. Okay, so I will give you some homework as to find out that what is the value of, say, number 1 sine 930 degree, number 2 cos 930 degree, number 3 10. ऐसे तुम लोग simply try to find it out. 720, so this is 765 degree. Number 4 is suppose say cos 765 degree. Then you can find out about suppose number 5 sec 0 degree. Number 6 cosec cosec suppose 1125 degree. So these things you should try to find it out. Okay. Acha. Now the next one is how to calculate the value of sin 75 degree. इसको हम लोग कैसे find out करेंगे? Because if we calculate in this way that sin 1 into 90 minus 15, then it will be cos 15 degree. What is the value of cos 15? We do not know. But how to find out then? The simple way is sin 45 degree plus 30 degree. What is the value of sin A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So what is sin 45? 1 by root 2. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. LCM क्या होगा? 2 root 2. तो ऊपर में क्या आएगा? root 3 plus 1. And you remember what is the value of root 3? Root 3 is 1.73 and root 2 is 1.41. Remember these values. Also remember one value. This is the values to remember. Okay. These are the values that you have to remember. That root 3 is equal to 1.73. Root 2 is equal to 1.41. Also you have to remember one value, that is sin 37 degree. Sin 37 degree is equal to 3 by 5, matlab 0.6. Sin 53 degree is equal to 4 by 5, matlab 0.8. Okay. These things you have to remember. I will give you the values related to cos also now. That what is the value of cos 37? So जो value हम लोगों को sin 37 में मिला था, वही value आएगा cos 37 में. ठीक है? So these are the values that you have to remember. Why you have to remember? That I will tell you later. जब हम लोग chapters में जाएंगे, तब हम लोगों को मालूम चलेगा कि why sin 37 and 53 is required. Okay? So what is cos 37? Cos 37 is equal to 4 by 5. And what is cos 53? Cos 53 is equal to 3 by 5. So what is tan 37? Tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. So it will be 3 by 4. Okay. And what is cot 37? Sorry. cot 37 नहीं चाहिए, tan 53 degree, tan 53 is equal to this by this, so it will be 4/3. Why it is required मैं थोड़ा तुम लोगों को अभी बोलता हूँ, ठीक है। मान लो ऐसा एक ट्राइंगल है और बोला है कि ये 3 है और ये 4 है, ठीक है। यू आर नॉट गिवन विद द एंगल, सो यू हैव टू नो दैट दिस एंगल विल बी 37. व्हाई? बिकॉज tan 37 इज इक्वल टू 3/4. तो अगर ये 3 है, ये 4 है, तो ये कितना होगा? इट विल बी 5. दिस इज एन स्पेशल ट्राइंगल विदाउट हैविंग एनी वैल्यूज. इफ इट इज 37, दिस इज 90. सो व्हाट विल बी दिस एंगल? दिस इज 53 डिग्री. दिस ट्राइंगल विल बी रिक्वायर्ड इन सम न्यूमेरिकल्स. ओके, तो हम लोगों को sin 75 cos 15 भी मिला था, तो इसका वैल्यू और ये वैल्यू दोनों मैचिंग होता है कि नहीं, हम लोग चेक करते हैं। तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ cos 15 डिग्री? cos 15 इज इक्वल टू cos 45 माइनस 30 डिग्री. तो व्हाट इज cos A माइनस cos B? इट इज cos A cos B प्लस sin A sin B. So what is cos 45? 1/√2. What is cos 30? √3/2 plus sin 45 1/√2 sin 30 इतना. So if you take the LCM, it will be 2√2. Then this is √3 plus 1. Okay. So you will find that both the values they have the same datas. Okay. So in this way we have to proceed in physics. These things will be required in physics. Okay. I am not your mathematics teacher, but you have to know these things, because without mathematics we will not be able to move in physics. Okay. So these are the formulas that you have to do it from trigonometry. So another homework you can do today is, what is the value of tan 15 degree? Okay, what is the value of cos 75 degree? What is the value of cot 75 degree? These are all less than 90. Okay, what is the value of sec 15 degree? So try to find out these values with the help of the formulas that I have given to you. Okay, I have given you the formulas now. So from the formulas try to do it. So your next one will be based on this one, trigonometry. Okay, so from trigonometry we have to do some formula. Acha, I have given you a formula na, that is tan A plus B. So tan A plus B का formula मैंने क्या दिया था? tan A plus B, उस पर थोड़ा सा करेक्शन आएगा. tan A plus B पे तुम लोग लिखना tan A प्लस tan B. ये तो ठीक है, मैंने नीचे में प्लस दिया था ना, तो ये माइनस होगा. सो 1 माइनस tan A tan B. सो tan A माइनस B क्या होगा? tan A minus B, the signs will be interchanged. It will be tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A tan B. So remaining formulas इसको तुम लोग एक बार करेक्ट कर लेना. हाँ, मैंने नीचे में प्लस दिया था, इट विल बी माइनस, एंड इफ इट इज माइनस, ये तो मैंने फॉर्मूला नहीं दिया था, दिस इज द अनदर फॉर्मूला. ओके, फॉर tan A माइनस B. ये फॉर्मूला कब कहाँ कैसे यूज होगा किसी को नहीं मालूम. सो कुछ प्रोसेस तो मैंने तुम लोगों को बता दिया, वेरीफाई भी कर दिया. ये मैंने बोला रिमेंबर कर, याद रखने के लिए, दिस इज द स्पेशल ट्राइंगल 3 4 5, देन इट विल बी 37, इट विल बी 53 डिग्री. द रिमेनिंग फॉर्मूलाज वी विल डिस्कस इट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, क्योंकि फॉर्मूलाज देने से नहीं होगा, वी हैव टू डिस्कस कि हाउ द फॉर्मूलाज वी विल यूज. दीज आर द वेज थ्रू विच वी विल यूज द फॉर्मूले. ओके, सो बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स का एक क्लास हो गया. इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास it will be basic mathematics 2. There we will discuss the remaining formulas, but not from trigonometry. Done.